To save even more time, let's go ahead and add an automation to automatically apply the template each time we get a video request. First, open the Automation Center by clicking Integrate. Search for Templify. Select Templify Integrations. And as you can see, Templify has a wide range of pre-built recipes to choose from. I want my sub-item template to apply every time I change the request type to promo video, so I am going to use this template. When status changes to something, apply a sub-item template. Now let's map it. When request type status changes to promo video, apply the sub-item template called promo video. Hit save, and let's see it in action. Let's create a new request, set the timelines and roles, and now all I need to do is select the project type, sit back, and watch the magic happen. There you go. All of our sub-items are created, dynamic dates are set, team members have been assigned and notified of their tasks, and we're all ready to begin.